Hey guys, how y'all doing? Tyler Austin, MyGeekCentral.com. Okay, this is video one, two, I think three. Might not be. Don't quote me on it. So anyway, I just got done making the header page. So whatever video is after that, that's what this one is. So we're gonna go ahead and make our footer page now, and just as simple as the header page or head page. Let's see, we're going to create a div ID equals footer, close it, close div, close HTML bracket. Bam, done. That took like what, 3 seconds. And then within this footer we're going to put a navigation bar, which we're going to go into to unordered list. That's what we're going to use. We're going to use an unordered list to make the list of pages that we're going to have inside our website to actually click on. And the reason I'm not doing that now is because within that unordered list we got to do hrefs, which is a hyper reference. It's a link basically, and you're going to have to use anchors. It's a little bit more detailed, so we're going to wait for a whole separate tutorial on that. So what I decided to do now is we created our footer. We're going to go ahead and save, because I don't think I've saved in a while. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to link the rest of these pages to these. Now that we made our footer and our header, we can go ahead and we can do just like we did in the contact page, and we're going to put those PHP includes in there. And what that's going to do is that's going to include all the content in the header page and all the content in the footer page. And it's going to put it on this page so that whenever we update our header page, it'll update across the board, so we don't have to update 50,000 web pages at once. And that'll make it 100 times easier. Say, for example, like for me, I'm going to create this video, I'm going to upload it to YouTube, and then I'm going to go into my scripting and my coding, and I'm gonna just put this, add a new unordered list to my tutorial section on my web page, and then I'm just going to create a whole new page for that video itself, because I'm going to create a link, and it's going to link it to that just one single page. If you've ever been on my website, you click on the tutorial name, and then it brings you to a whole nother page, and that's it. That's only the videos on there. So all I have to do is simply copy, paste, and then paste the embedded code on there, and there I'm done. It literally takes me 5 minutes to make a video and upload it to my website, and then at the same time upload it to the internet. So it's really efficient. So go ahead, copy those or type them up, okay? And I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to copy these, and I'm going to put them in my about page, and I'm going to put them in my index page, okay? And then what we're going to do real quick, what's our video time at? Okay, we're at 3 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and do this real quick as well. Now that we've got these in our pages, we're going to start with our index page. After we got our header done, we're going to create a div, and we're going to call this one main page, okay? And what that's going to be is that's going to actually be the whole section of your body content, okay? That's going to be what we actually stick everything inside of. You remember what if you remember what I was saying about before in the other tutorial, you got your block, okay? And basically this is kind of like that child's toy where you got to put the triangles and rectangles inside it, and they got to match it up and put them through it. Well, figure this main page being that square that we got to put all that content through to actually that's not a really good example whatsoever. Well, it's the main page, okay? That's what we're going to actually put everything inside of. And to give you an example, this is where we'll actually put another div ID, and we're going to call it content. That's not how you spell it. Okay, and this content section is going to be where we put a paragraph. Hello. Okay, and then now if you can imagine on our web page, you're not going to see this at all. Here we go. This is our background. This main page is our background. That's what's going to cover or color the whole background of the page. So, okay, I think that put it pretty good. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. That's the only thing I can think of saying there, because it's hard to explain with the way that I'm setting up these tutorials, doing the CSS last. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna copy all this that we just did, and we're gonna paste this inside of. Well, I'm just gonna paste right over this inside of our other sections. You can see how easy this is to just make multiple pages. If we were to just right now, okay, if we were to go ahead and we were to use our style sheet and we were just to take these divs and just put them in our style sheet, we could upload this and it would be a website with 3 pages. But I mean, of course, it'd be pretty bland. It'd only say hello on it and my first website in the title, and then the header would say hello, I blabber, okay, and then that would be it, and it would not be spelt right. So anyway, that's gonna be it for this tutorial. Next tutorial we're going to cover unordered lists, and that'll be it. We're going to cover unordered lists because it's pretty broad, and I don't want to confuse y'all right away. If you're not confused already, and if you are, I apologize, but if you need anything clarified, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Alrighty, that'll be it. Tutorial, I think 5 is the next. No, 4. Tutorial 4. I'll see you on tutorial 4. Be sure to subscribe so I know that there's actually people looking at this. Obviously I know that from my views, but subscribe, like it, check out my website, watch the videos from the website, because that'd be even cooler, because then I get a website view and I get website or YouTube views, so I'd really appreciate that. Alright guys, or gals, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, bye.